It gives me great pleasure to introduce the 2022 recipient of NAIT's Distinguished Industry Partner Award. ConocoPhillips and NAIT have had a partnership that has grown over 4 decades. Their support has helped create applied research projects and provided industry-relevant hands-on learning opportunities for students. The dedication they have shown to our mission and supporting NAIT students has been incredible. ConocoPhillips, we are proud to call you a partner of NAIT and to honor you with this recognition.
ConocoPhillips Canada is the Canadian division of ConocoPhillips, which is one of the world's largest independent exploration and production companies. We are headquartered in Calgary, and we've been operating in Canada for over 115 years. We feel that what sets us apart is how we work and how that contributes to our performance. I'm really fortunate to work with people who are experts at what they do, and they're always looking for better ways to do their jobs, which is one of the reasons why we came to NAIT. And that was the genesis for the Surmont Boreal Reclamation Project to help us improve our reclamation efforts.
I've been fortunate to work directly with NAIT's Boreal Research Institute since our first reconnaissance visit in 2014. And I've seen firsthand the importance of good site prep combined with the right mix of native species to get these sites establishing back to self-sustaining boreal forests quicker. One of the key benefits to ConocoPhillips is increasing confidence in our ability to reclaim the land and demonstrate the success to reclamation practitioners, the regulator, and our local communities.
ConocoPhillips has been working with NAIT since 1983, and during that time we have provided close to $2 million of support that has gone towards research projects and various other disciplines like power engineering and like geoscience projects. So we've had a wonderful working relationship over that time.
So NAIT has a lot of great technology programs, and that really helps to support industry. We actually have a lot of students that have come from NAIT. Personally, my ops superintendent is the first one that I can name that was a graduate of NAIT. And so there's been a lot of different trades that have come out of there that we utilize on a daily basis in Surmont's site. So, folks that come out with the steam tickets and electrical and instrumentation, certainly our power engineers, and any folks on the mechanical side we're utilizing continually at site. In my role, I have a unique perspective on what the students can bring to our industry. We find that new graduates come out with a lot of innovation. They're willing to try new things. They're definitely not set in their ways, and they're always interested into how they can help with the industry.
Through working with the folks at NAIT, we've been able to experiment and try different techniques to challenge the status quo of reclamation practice. The project has already contributed to reducing our footprint at ConocoPhillips, and we're going to continue to learn as time goes by what worked and what didn't work so that we can continue to improve our practices to make sure that we reclaim the land in an appropriate manner. Beyond just the technical merits of what we're learning, we've also been able to attract additional funding through the hard work that Dr. Amanda Schoonmaker has done to pursue grants and other programs and even attract other industry funders. With the relevance of this work, it's not just relevant for us, but relevant to a broader audience of reclamation practitioners.
We are incredibly pleased to be NAIT's Distinguished Industry Partner. For us, the award represents a recognition for the tremendous work that NAIT and ConocoPhillips have been able to do together to improve our reclamation practices, not only at our Surmont operations, but these are learnings that we can apply throughout industry. By working together, we can solve the environmental challenges that we have. And at the same time, this allows us to continue providing energy that the world needs.